Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Jira Cloud or server and admin access, because permissions matter. Next, open Microsoft Teams and sign in. Make sure you use the account that manages the target channel. Once done, choose the channel that will receive issues and check connector or app permissions. Now, in Jira, open Project Settings and prepare to create an API token or enable the Teams integration app. This first action sets up authentication so notifications can flow. You now link systems. Install the Jira Cloud app in Teams or for server, create an incoming webhook in that channel's connector settings. Then copy the webhook URL. Back in Jira, go to System Webhooks or the app configuration and paste the URL, choosing which events to send: issue created, updated, commented. Make sure to map project keys correctly and test with a sample issue. If you want richer cards, enable the Microsoft Graph or Apps Framework steps described in the app documentation. You finish by testing. Create a sample issue and watch the Teams channel for the card. If it appears, fine-tune filters so only essential events notify you. Use labels, issue types, or status changes. Make sure to save configurations and inform teammates about the new channel. If messages don't arrive, check the webhook URL, confirm the Teams app has channel posting rights, and verify Jira can reach Microsoft endpoints through your firewall. One tip: enable debug logs briefly to see payload errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.